Talk about Kelso's choices. Kelso's choices are a way to teach problem solving to students, and basically what it is it's a wheel. And you may have noticed when you're trying to teach problem solving to students and you're telling them, try and solve this conflict, there's often not enough actual steps they can take to try and solve the problem. And so for your younger kiddos, kinder, first, second, third, maybe even fourth, they have different variations of this. This is the perfect way to teach them. So basically what it does is first is it teaches them, is it a big problem or a small problem? And I like to change those terms to a safe to solve problem or an unsafe to solve problem. So a safe to solve problem is your small problem, right? Something that you can try and solve on your own as a student before going to get a grown up. If it's an unsafe to solve problem, if someone's in danger, if someone's hurt, then you go get a grown up right away. So once you've differentiated between those two things, then you go ahead and look at, okay, well, how can I solve these safe to solve problems on my own? I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around here, but basically we have all these different choices. We have walk away, ignore it, apologize, talk it out, go to another game, tell them to stop, wait and cool off, make a deal, right? Oh, and share and take turns. So those are all of the different choices that are on Kelso's choices wheel. And so once you've gone over what each of those look like, then you can tell students to try 3 Kelso's choices before they try and get a grown-up or someone else to help them solve their problem. On a ton of success with this, as long as you explicitly teach, like we would, take a couple of weeks to introduce this, and we would spend a whole day on, right, all right, what does ignore it look like as a way to solve a problem? When are sometimes that ignore it would be a good use of our problem solving skills. We would practice it, we would literally act it out with each other, and we'd slowly introduce more and more and kind of unlock the choices on the wheel. And then this poster, there's a mini version and a full-size version in Anchor Start Club, and you can also purchase posters from them as well. So if you wanted like a ginormous poster, you could purchase it from Kelso's Choices website, but if not, then all of these are in the Anchor Start Club.